goals for your study abroad experience? Do you want to experience a culture that you're interested in? Do you want to learn about your family heritage? Do you want to learn a language or practice a language that you already know or that you've already studied? Do you want to go someplace that's completely new and unfamiliar to you? Do you value feeling more comfortable, or do you want to get outside the box? These are all things to consider when beginning to think about the study abroad program that's best for you.
Next, you can take a look at our different programs. There are 3 main paths to study abroad: our UC Education Abroad program, or UC EAP, our global seminars, the Opportunities Abroad program, or OAP, and 2 additional paths, the UC San Diego Global Exchanges and program options through other UC institutions. Now, each of these programs have their own aspects, and some of them may work better for your goals than others.
UC EAP is the University of California Education Abroad program. It is the UC System Study Abroad program that has summer, quarter, semester, and full year options in more than 45 countries. You earn UC credit when studying abroad through UC EAP, and the federal, state, and UC-based financial aid that you receive at UCSD could go towards your program. Global Seminars are Study Abroad UC San Diego's faculty-led summer programs. Each global seminar is comprised of 15 to 28 mostly UCSD students, and it is a great way to take classes in another country that you would normally take on campus. Because each seminar has a limited number of students, you get to know the faculty and students in your cohort very well. Opportunities Abroad program, OAP, is our umbrella term that covers almost every other study abroad program besides UC EAP, global seminars, and global exchanges. When completing a program through OAP, you earn transfer credit instead of UC credit. You can also use federal and state financial aid, but you cannot use UC financial aid. There are lots of scholarship options for OAP, and this type of studying abroad gives you endless opportunities for countries and subjects of study. To learn more ways about studying abroad, go to our website at studyabroad.ucsd.edu or come into our office and we'll help you navigate your decision process.
After learning about the programs that we offer, you can think about what program works best for you and or what classes you might want to take while you're abroad. The Study Abroad office located on Matthews Quad is fully staffed with advisors who are eager to help you find the program that works best for you.
Along with our advisors, the Study Abroad office has many resources to help you along your journey. We hope you stop by and let us help you find a program that's the best fit for you.
Check out our next video, A Guide to Applying to Your UC San Diego Study Abroad program, to learn about how to navigate the application process once you've chosen what study abroad program you would like to go on.